The Dutch Colonial style carries a timeless allure, merging heritage architecture with an elegance that transcends eras. The kitchen, an integral heart of the home, becomes a canvas for design that speaks of history while embracing modern luxury. Dutch colonial kitchens exude warmth, charm, and sophistication. Get ready to explore 5 distinct interpretations of this classic style, each offering a unique approach to achieving a luxurious yet timeless Dutch colonial kitchen. Rustic charm meets timeless design in the rustic wood-beamed Haven kitchen. Exposed wood beams, wide plank flooring, and stone countertops create a space that feels earthy and robust yet undeniably luxurious. The Dutch colonial influence is evident in the use of sturdy materials and traditional craftsmanship, making this kitchen feel like a retreat to the past with all the comforts of modern living. A large farmhouse table serves as the centerpiece, offering plenty of space for family meals and gatherings, while the warm wood tones and stone accents provide a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The color palette here is a blend of soft creams, warm browns, and earthy grays, reflecting the natural surroundings of the countryside. Stone hearths and rustic wood cabinetry bring an old-world charm, while the layout is designed to accommodate modern needs. Ambient lighting, often from vintage fixtures or wrought iron chandeliers, enhances the natural textures, giving the kitchen a warm glow during evening hours. Large hearth ovens add not only to the aesthetic appeal, but also offer a functional element that harkens back to traditional Dutch kitchens. The use of reclaimed wood and rustic materials gives the kitchen an authenticity that feels lived in and personal. Stone floors and countertops contrast beautifully with the softness of the wood, creating a tactile experience that is both rugged and refined. The open shelving displays rustic pottery and copper cookware, adding visual warmth and emphasizing the heritage of the space. These elements combine to create a kitchen that feels connected to its surroundings, perfect for those who appreciate craftsmanship and natural beauty. A large island with butcher block countertops adds a functional yet visually appealing element to the room. This is a space designed for family gatherings, where the beauty of the materials complements the practical needs of a busy household. The overall feel of this style is one of comfort and warmth, where every element feels thoughtful and intentional, creating a welcoming space to enjoy both cooking and socializing. A traditional Dutch homestead kitchen evokes the essence of rustic elegance, deeply rooted in heritage and family values. The sturdy wooden beams overhead and the hand-hewn cabinetry pay homage to the Dutch countryside, where functionality and beauty meet. Stone floors paired with warmth create a balanced contrast that feels both grounded and welcoming, making this style perfect for those seeking authenticity in their kitchen space. Natural elements like terracotta tiles and linen curtains soften the look, enhancing the homely and inviting atmosphere. Leaded glass windows bathe the room in soft, natural light, adding to the warmth of the space and highlighting the carefully curated textures and tones. The color palette leans towards soft creams, muted greens, and earthy browns, reflecting the tranquil Dutch landscape. Large hearth ovens and copper cookware add touches of warmth and nostalgia, creating a space that feels timeless yet deeply personal. The gabled roofs and stone walls anchor the room in tradition, while the open layout offers a sense of flow that's perfect for modern family gatherings. The overall feel of a traditional Dutch homestead kitchen is one of quiet elegance where every element feels handcrafted and intentional. Copper accents such as faucets and fixtures add a vintage touch while complementing the rustic wood tones. Delft tile details can be subtly introduced into the design, adding an additional layer of Dutch heritage without overpowering the rustic charm. The inclusion of a large farmhouse sink and butcher block counters offers not only aesthetic appeal but also functionality, creating a space designed for real-life use as much as for visual pleasure. Lighting plays a critical role in enhancing the natural textures within the space. Subtle pendants or vintage chandeliers provide warmth, while the soft light streaming through the windows makes the entire kitchen glow. The ambient light from the hearth and large brick oven brings a cozy and inviting warmth to the space, reminiscent of long family dinners on chilly evenings. Together, these elements create a homestead kitchen that feels personal, lived in, and timeless. For those who appreciate a blend of history and contemporary design, the modern colonial fusion kitchen offers the perfect combination of old world charm and sleek, modern luxury. This style takes the traditional elements of Dutch colonial architecture, such as exposed wood beams and gambrel roofs, and pairs them with minimalist, contemporary finishes. The result is a kitchen that feels both rooted in tradition and forward. Clean lines, sleek cabinetry, and polished surfaces provide a fresh and modern aesthetic while paying homage to the heritage of Dutch colonial design. The color palette is neutral and refined, with soft whites, grays, and warm wood tones creating a soothing atmosphere. The use of natural materials such as wood and stone ensures that the kitchen feels grounded, while modern elements like marble countertops and sleek, minimalist lighting add a touch of sophistication. Large windows and open layouts flood the space with natural light, making it feel bright and airy. This style offers the perfect balance of elegance and functionality, where every detail has been carefully curated to create a cohesive design. One of the standout features of the modern colonial fusion kitchen is the large island, often made of wood or stone, which serves as both a functional workspace and a central gathering spot. Open shelving displays a curated selection of modern decor and Dutch-inspired ceramics, adding visual interest without cluttering the space. The overall feel is one of minimalism with a touch of warmth, making this kitchen perfect for those who appreciate clean, modern design without sacrificing comfort or tradition. This style also makes excellent use of lighting, with sleek pendant lights or modern chandeliers providing both illumination and a contemporary edge. The contrast between the modern finishes and the rustic wood beams creates a striking visual effect that feels both timeless and fresh. The result is a kitchen that feels both luxurious and approachable, offering a space that is perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. A nod to Dutch heritage, the Delft Blue Accents kitchen infuses classic Dutch colonial design with the elegance of hand-painted Delft blue tiles. The striking contrast of crisp white cabinetry with Delft blue accents brings a sense of refinement and history to the space. Delft tiles, with their intricate designs and timeless beauty, are used as a backsplash or as decorative inlays, adding a pop of color and artistry to an otherwise neutral palette. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship of Dutch heritage while still seeking a luxurious and functional kitchen space. The color palette is dominated by whites and blues, creating a fresh and clean aesthetic that feels both timeless and contemporary. The use of hand-painted Delft tiles not only adds visual interest, but also serves as a connection to Dutch history and craftsmanship. These tiles, often arranged in intricate patterns or used as decorative accents, provide a focal point for the kitchen, making the space feel curated and thoughtfully designed. White cabinetry and marble countertops provide a clean, modern base, while the Delft accents add personality and a touch of luxury. The overall effect is one of subtle sophistication, where the beauty of the design lies in the details. Open shelving allows for the display of Delft pottery, further enhancing the theme and adding to the visual interest of the space. The balance between the crisp white cabinetry and the vibrant blue accents creates a dynamic yet harmonious look. Lighting is soft and ambient, often from vintage-inspired fixtures that enhance the traditional feel of the space. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room, highlighting the beauty of the Delft tiles and bringing out the richness of the colors. The overall mood is one of calm elegance, where every detail has been carefully considered to create a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. The brick and stone Heritage Charm Kitchen embraces the timeless beauty of natural materials, creating a space that feels both grounded and luxurious. Exposed brick walls, stone floors, and rustic wood beams give the kitchen a sense of history, while the thoughtful design ensures that it feels modern and functional. This style is perfect for those who appreciate the rugged beauty of natural materials and want to create a space that feels authentic and timeless. The color palette is warm and earthy, with shades of beige, brown, and cream dominating the space. Brick walls add texture and warmth, while stone floors provide a sense of durability and timelessness. Wooden cabinetry and exposed beams further enhance the rustic charm, creating a space that feels robust and inviting. Large hearth ovens and copper accents add to the historic feel of this space, making it feel like a traditional Dutch Colonial kitchen with all the comforts of modern living. Lighting is key in this style, with vintage-inspired fixtures or wrought iron chandeliers providing a warm, ambient glow. The natural light from tall windows highlights the textures of the brick and stone, making the space feel even more inviting. The overall feel is one of rustic elegance, where the beauty of the materials speaks for itself. Open shelving displays rustic pottery and copper cookware, adding to the heritage feel of the space. A large wooden island with stone countertops serves as both a functional workspace and a gathering spot, making this kitchen perfect for both everyday use and entertaining. The balance between the rugged materials and the refined design ensures that the kitchen feels both luxurious and approachable. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time.